The Multi-Instructor feature lets you add multiple experts to a course, expanding your offerings. Let's set up Multi-Instructor and revenue sharing in your WordPress LMS. First, go to the Academy LMS add-on section and enable the Multi-Instructor add-on. Next, head to the Academy LMS settings menu. Then to the Earnings section under Payments. Enable earnings for instructors to receive commissions. Set admin commission percentages easily. Adjust instructor commissions as per your needs. Configure fee deductions for payouts seamlessly. Name the fee deduction for easy identification. Set the fee deduction amount precisely. Choose the type, fixed or percentage. Go to the Withdrawal section to configure settings. Set the minimum withdrawal amount for instructors. Enable payment methods like PayPal, e-check, or bank transfer. Instruct instructors to provide their bank account details in the withdrawal settings. Save your changes to finalize the setup. Let's add multiple instructors to a course. First, ensure you have added instructors to your site. If you don't have any, you can add them from the instructors page. There's also an option to add a bulk number of instructors at once. Now, let's proceed to edit and add multiple instructors to a course. Scroll down to the Instructor section and click the Add Instructor button. Here, you will see a list of all your instructors. Simply check the ones you want to add to this course. From this section, you can also set a default instructor or remove an instructor from a course with ease. Once done, update the changes. On the Instructors page, you'll see the course updates reflected. Let's take a look at an instructor's dashboard and see how they can access the course. In the Courses section of their dashboard, the instructor can view the course assigned to them. They can also update the course content as needed. Additionally, they can access the withdrawal settings to configure how they'll withdraw their earnings. That's it. You're all set up with Multi-Instructor and revenue sharing on Academy LMS. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials. Happy teaching and earning with Academy LMS.